Keeping your vehicle's braking system in good condition is essential for your safety on the road. Recognizing common brake issues and knowing when to consult an automotive professional can help prevent accidents and expensive repairs. Here, we're going to help you identify some of the most common brake problems and educate you about when it's time to visit an auto repair shop for brake service. Number 1. Squeaking or squealing noises. Worn brake pads are the most common cause of squeaking or squealing noises. When the pads wear down, a metal indicator becomes exposed, creating a high-pitched sound as it contacts the rotor. The solution is to replace the brake pads promptly to avoid damaging the rotors. Number 2. Grinding sounds. Grinding noises usually indicate that the brake pads are completely worn out, causing the metal of the caliper to grind against the metal of the rotor. The solution is immediate replacement of both brake pads and possibly the rotors. Delay in doing this can lead to more extensive and expensive damage. Number 3. Vibrations or pulsations. Warped rotors could cause vibrations or pulsations when the brakes are applied. This issue often occurs due to excessive heat buildup from heavy braking or extended use. Resurfacing or replacing the rotors can resolve this problem. Professional assessment by your trusted mechanic is recommended to ensure proper diagnosis and repair. Number 4. A spongy or soft brake pedal. A spongy or soft brake pedal often indicates air in the brake lines, a brake fluid leak, or worn brake lines. If you're familiar with minor automotive repairs, you could check for leaks and bleed the brake lines to remove air. If the problem persists, though, or if you're unsure what to do, your trusted mechanic should inspect the entire braking system. Number 5. The brake pedal goes to the floor. This serious brake issue is usually due to a brake fluid leak or a master cylinder failure. To solve this problem, and to protect your driving safety, immediate professional brake inspection and repair are essential. Number 6. A burning smell while driving. A sharp chemical odor after repeated hard braking or driving down a steep incline might indicate overheated brakes or a stuck caliper. First, let the brakes cool down. If the smell persists, have your vehicle inspected by a professional to make sure you're not at risk for brake failure. Number 7. Your car pulls to one side when you're braking. Uneven wear on brake pads, a stuck caliper, or issues with brake fluid can cause the car to pull to one side during braking. The solution is to inspect and replace unevenly worn brake pads or repair the stuck caliper. Professional diagnostics at your local auto repair shop can ensure the correct issue is addressed. Now that you know some of the most common brake issues, when should you call your mechanic about them? If you notice any of these brake issues consistently, it's time to schedule an appointment at your auto repair shop. If you keep driving and ignore the warning signs, you may end up with significant damage or even compromise your driving safety. Modern vehicles are equipped with brake warning lights. If the brake light on your dashboard is illuminated, it's time to schedule a thorough brake inspection with your local mechanic. Even without noticeable brake issues, regular inspections are highly encouraged. Follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and have your brakes checked periodically by an automotive professional. Lastly, if you've been in an accident, no matter how minor, get your brakes inspected. Even slight impacts can cause hidden damage to the braking system. Your vehicle's braking system is a critical piece of your driving safety. With a good understanding of common brake issues and knowing when to call a mechanic, you can ensure your vehicle stays safe and reliable. At Good Works Auto Repair, we recommend routine brake maintenance at least once per year. This can often help you avoid common brake issues as well as prevent expensive and unexpected repairs or dangerous situations. Simply give us a call or schedule an appointment online today.